In this video, we will learn all about the fault, P0530. What does it mean, symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0530 mean? Error code P0530 is related to the vehicle's air conditioning system, specifically to a problem with the air conditioning refrigerant pressure sensor. This sensor monitors the refrigerant pressure in the system and sends that information to the engine control unit, ECM. When the ECM detects an abnormal or out-of-range reading in the sensor signal, it triggers code P0530. This can affect the operation of the air conditioning, as an incorrect pressure value can cause the system to not cool properly or even shut down to prevent further damage. What are the symptoms of a P0530 fault? The air conditioning does not cool properly. The air conditioning compressor does not activate. The air conditioning compressor operates intermittently. Unusual noises coming from the air conditioning system. Loss of overall HVAC system performance. Wait. Important. If this information is useful to you, please subscribe. That way you motivate us to continue uploading more videos. What causes DDC code P0530? A defective air conditioning pressure sensor. Problems with the pressure sensor wiring or connectors. Refrigerant leaks affecting system pressure. Short circuit in the pressure sensor circuit. Air conditioning refrigerant level too low or too high. What are the possible solutions for OBD2 code P0530? Replace the air conditioning pressure sensor if it is faulty. Repair or replace any damaged or corroded wiring or connectors. Check for and repair possible refrigerant leaks in the system. Recharge the refrigerant if the level is low or correct the excess if it is high. Check for and correct possible short circuits in the sensor circuit. We will answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with a P0530 code be driven? Yes, it is possible to drive a vehicle with the P0530 code activated, but it is important to note that the air conditioning system will not function properly, which could affect the comfort of the driver and passengers, especially in hot climates. This code does not directly affect safety or engine performance, but if left unrepaired, the lack of proper cooling can damage other components of the air conditioning system, such as the compressor. Therefore, it is advisable to fix the problem as soon as possible to avoid more costly repairs in the future. Which sensors are related to the P0530 fault? The main sensor involved in the P0530 code is the air conditioning pressure sensor, which measures the refrigerant pressure in the system. This sensor sends data to the ECM to regulate the compressor's operation. Although the code is specifically related to this sensor, other components of the air conditioning system, such as the internal or external temperature sensors, could also be affected, as they also interact with the HVAC system. How much would it cost to repair the P0530 fault? The cost to repair code P0530 varies depending on the specific cause of the problem. Replacing the air conditioning pressure sensor can cost between $100 and $300, depending on the vehicle model and sensor location. If the problem is related to the refrigerant level, the cost of a recharge typically ranges from $100 to $200. For problems with wiring or connectors, repairs can cost between $50 and $150, depending on the extent of the damage. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.